Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the ringtone on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, tap on the gear icon on your home screen to open up your settings. This is where all your device customization options live, including sound preferences. Once you're in settings, scroll down and look for the option labeled sound and vibration. Go ahead and tap on it. This section controls everything related to audio on your phone, from notification sounds to call ringtones and volume levels. Now scroll down through the sound and vibration menu until you find the ringtone option. Tap on it to access all your available ringtone choices. This is where you'll be able to customize what plays when someone calls you. When the ringtone menu opens, you'll notice different categories of available ringtones displayed on your screen. Google organizes these into various groups to make it easier to find the perfect sound that matches your style or mood. If you want to use a custom ringtone that you've downloaded or created yourself, tap on My Sounds. This category lets you select any audio file stored on your device and set it as your ringtone. It's perfect if you want something truly unique or personal. Alternatively, you can explore the other categories that Google provides. Each category is themed differently, offering a variety of built-in ringtones to choose from. For example, let's say you want something calming and natural sounding. Tap on the Natural Elements category. This collection features ringtones inspired by nature and outdoor environments, creating a peaceful and relaxing tone when your phone rings. Inside the Natural Elements category, you'll see several options to choose from. Browse through them and pick the one you like best. For instance, you might tap on Garden Breeze, which gives you a gentle, nature-inspired sound. Feel free to tap on any option to preview how it sounds before making your final decision. Once you've found the ringtone you want to use, look at the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a Save button there. Tap on it to apply your selection as your new ringtone. And that's it. Your Google Pixel 8 Pro will now use the ringtone you just selected whenever you receive a call. You've successfully personalized your phone's sound to match your preferences. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.